After falling short of a Super Bowl appearance in 2024, the Detroit Lions are gearing up for another postseason push in 2025. A key off-season priority is bolstering the pass rush, especially with the uncertain futures of Marcus Davenport and Za'Darius Smith. While Smith could return for one more year, Detroit needs a long-term complement to Aiden Hutchinson. CBS Sports' Chris Trapasso projects the Lions to address this need by selecting Marshall edge rusher Mike Green with the 28th overall pick in the 2025 NFL Draft. Green emerged as one of college football's premier pass rushers in 2024, recording 17 sacks, the highest in the FBS. His explosiveness and agility make him a first-round talent, though some scouts view him as a day 2 prospect due to concerns about his size and strength. Drafting Green would provide Detroit with much-needed depth while grooming him as Smith's eventual successor. Surrounded by veterans, Green would have time to adapt to the NFL and develop within the Lions system. General Manager Brad Holmes' draft strategy remains unpredictable, but Detroit's need for edge rushing talent makes Green a logical target. With Hutchinson anchoring one side, the Lions are poised to solidify their defensive front for years to come.